Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Mag-review tayo ng binili kong chair. I think itong chair na to, pwede itong pang-office or pang-esthetician. Ang napili kong kulay ay pink. I bought this chair from Amazon for $49.99 plus tax. And this is modern office desk chair, rolling stool, computer chair with low back height, adjustable work, home, salon, drafting, swivel task with footrest. And this is easy to assemble and you don't need too much tools. And there's a small tools that including comfortable chair, perfect for what I needed it for. Good quality. I like how easy it is to adjust the height. I prefer it low to prevent back pain. Perfect for my treatment room. Great price and value. Ganda!